Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, indaba ezibuhlungu ayipheli ke. Ujojo Robinson uthi cha Bandla uzibeka phansi intamba ku Real Housewife of Durban. Uthi nje ngesiphinde subone umcondo wakhe again kuleya show. Ujojo joined that reality TV show in season 2 together with TV presenter Ulachongwe. In a lengthy post on her Instagram stories about Wednesday episode, she opened up about her husband's condition and toxicity on the show. She also addressed Orisha's insult toward her and her friends. I will never do housewife again, bringing my husband into the shit. And then watching everyone laughing about serious issues. His father passed from a heart attack a few months before this episode was shot. It's not a joke topic. I actually felt sick watching the show, she wrote. Jojo apologized to young girls for the toxic behavior on the show. Toxic behavior like this is not normal, and please don't think it is. We as a group had a massive platform to inspire young girls, and instead we have shown nothing but how to hate and fight. I'm personally sorry for anything I have done to add to toxic behavior on the show. This type of behavior is not okay. Truly speaking, guys, not some viewers shembanya nkosiyama ngifuna uqamamanga khulumela nabanye, we are tired ngale drama yabo engazi bafunda ugrade R bayacebana bakhona umunye show khulume into ngomunye lo munye uyahamba yomtshela, like they are fake. Those people are ma fake. I don't want to lie. Unonku what you are giving mabusi drive. Now umbali is fighting. Ufunu drive unonku shama tafula. Uslina, I was told ukuthi ubroke akana mali. She's borrowing clothes from unonku. It's just a lot of stupid drama. I just feel like ukuthi ikhona mhlambe enye ama producers angayenza. I'm not saying ukuthi drama bangayiveza because it's what glued abantu kulokhunjana kuwona lama reality show ukuthi there is a drama, but they must just bayifake na i-drama but baphinde bafundise futhi kuyona le show yabo, because these women are very powerful and many people can learn a lot from them, but now they are just acting. I don't know what can I say, guys, but nje asifundi lutho and ayekho umuntu ofunda anything from this women abalaphana beside ukuthi bahlebana omunye usho ukuthi ubani utheni. Hayi guys, no. Konke ngahambe kahle kuleya show. I don't want to lie, but ke guys, abantu abaningi welcome the news with both hands ukuthi ke uJojo is not coming back. They feel ukuthi naye nje unayo into yokuba toxic because abanye bathi uactisa wengane, it's just a lot. But anyway guys, yeah, that's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi wena uthini. uJojo akahlale kancane aqhubeke mhlambe uzoba ngcono noma uthi ayicha Bandla shame akahambe si right nathi ngaye. Bye.